Create your own holiday special at home with this fun Star Wars silhouette from Robeez. It may be a good idea or a bad idea, but there's sure to be great pictures showing off a super comfortable silhouette made of leather and synthetic. It features a Wookiee with some chest pieces, and it uses elastic bands in the collar to keep it secure so they can't kick these off too easily. The inner lining is soft leather, keeping it very nice and cool, and the outsole is made with leather as well, showing off a Wookiee symbol with a little Star Wars symbol at the top, and it says, "Let the Wookiees win."